All right, so today we're going to be looking at something pretty amazing.
Yeah.
The heart of a blue whale.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got this article, The Blue Whale's Heart, a Mighty Engine of the Deep. And it's
incredible.
It's incredible. Yeah, it's mind-blowing.
It is.
Just thinking about a heart the size of a small car.
It really is.
Yeah.
And what's fascinating to me is that it's not just size for the sake of size.
Right.
You know, it's really about the incredible evolutionary pressures
Right.
that have shaped this magnificent creature and its vital organs,
Yeah.
you know, to power the largest animal on Earth.
Yeah.
A creature that can reach over 100 feet long and weigh up to 200 tons.
Wow.
You need a seriously impressive pump.
Yeah, that's it's hard to even
It is.
grasp that scale.
Yeah.
Why is a heart this size even necessary?
Well, it comes down to efficiency.
Okay.
The blue whale needs to circulate blood and oxygen throughout its mass and body.
Okay.
Think about the energy needed to power its movements, its entire existence.
Right.
And to achieve that level of efficiency, evolution has, in this case, favored size.
So it's not just about pumping blood, it's about pumping it efficiently
Precisely.
throughout such a massive body.
Yeah, it's like having a powerful engine in a large vehicle.
Okay.
The bigger the engine, the more power it can generate, and the more efficiently it can move that massive load.
Okay.
It's all about scaling up to meet the demands of this incredible creature's lifestyle.
So how big are we talking? What does a heart the size of a small car even look like?
It's not something you can hold in your hand.
Right.
That's for sure.
I can imagine.
This heart can weigh up to 400 pounds.
Wow.
And it's so large that a human could theoretically crawl through its major arteries.
Hold on, crawling through a whale's arteries.
Yeah,
That's
it's a pretty intense visual,
yeah.
but it really speaks to the incredible adaptations that have evolved to support life on such a grand scale.
Yeah, okay, so we've got this gigantic heart pumping blood throughout this massive creature.
Yeah.
But here's something I found surprising. Their heart rate's actually pretty slow
Yeah.
compared to smaller mammals.
Uh-huh.
Why is that?
That's a common misconception.
Really?
People often assume bigger animal, faster heartbeat.
Right.
But with the blue whale, it's all about efficiency again.
Oh.
Each beat is incredibly powerful, maximizing blood flow with every pulse.
So it's not about the number of beats?
Right.
It's about the power behind each one.
Think of it like this.
Okay.
A smaller mammal's heart is like a small, fast-running engine constantly working to keep up.
Okay.
The blue whale's heart, on the other hand, is like a large, slow-turning engine, each rotation delivering a massive surge of power.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah?
It's like a well-oiled machine methodically circulating blood through this vast network of vessels.
Yeah.
But what about when they dive deep down into the ocean?
Yeah.
Don't they need to conserve oxygen?
Right.
How does this massive heart handle that?
Well, that's where it gets really interesting. During a dive, the blue whale's heart rate slows down dramatically.
Okay.
It's a phenomenon called bradycardia.
Bradycardia.
Yeah.
So it slows down.
It does.
So that must help to conserve oxygen.
It does. It's a crucial adaptation
Okay.
for survival in the depths.
You're not just going to ask, like, what other benefits might it offer?
You're right. It's not just about oxygen conservation.
Okay.
By slowing the heart rate, the blue whale reduces its metabolic rate,
Right.
conserving energy during these deep dives.
Okay.
It also minimizes the risk of decompression sickness,
Oh, wow.
which is a danger for any mammal
Right.
that spends significant time at depth.
So it's like a multifaceted adaptation.
You know,
Like they've got this,
right.
like their heart is a master of efficiency,
Exactly.
adapting to the demands of both surface life and the deep sea environment.
Precisely. And this intricate interplay
Yeah.
between their heart, their lungs, and circulatory system
Right.
allows them to make these epic migrations across entire ocean basins. Wow. All while sustaining their massive bodies.
Talk about endurance. It's just, it really makes you appreciate the power of evolution, doesn't it?
It does.
The fact that these adaptations have developed over millions of years is just mind-boggling.
It is.
This whole deep dive has really highlighted the incredible adaptability of life.
Right.
You know, it makes you wonder what other
evolutionary marvels?
evolutionary marvels
Yeah.
are hidden in the unexplored depths of our oceans.
It really is a testament to the diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth.
Yeah.
There's so many different solutions to the challenges of survival.
Right.
And the blue whale's cardiovascular system is a spectacular example of that.
Yeah.
Who knows what other incredible adaptations are out there hidden beneath the waves?
Well, before we get lost in speculation, I
Right.
want to bring it back to this incredible heart.
Yeah.
What are the key takeaways you want our listener to walk away with today?
Well, first and foremost, I hope they gain a newfound appreciation for the sheer scale and power of the blue whale's heart.
Yeah.
It's truly a marvel of biological engineering, perfectly adapted to the demands of its environment.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's not every day you learn about an organ the size of a car,
Right.
but beyond the size, what else
Right.
should our listener take away from this?
I think it's crucial to understand that the blue whale's heart, with its slow, powerful beats
Right.
and its ability to slow down during dives,
Yeah.
exemplifies the power of evolution
Okay.
to shape life in extraordinary ways.
Mm-hmm.
It shows us that sometimes the most efficient solutions might seem counterintuitive at first glance.
That's a good reminder that nature often finds the most unexpected solutions
Yeah.
to complex problems.
Exactly. And finally, I hope this deep dive inspires a sense of wonder and curiosity
Yeah.
about the natural world.
Right.
There's so much we still don't know, so much left to discover,
Yeah.
especially in our vast oceans.
Yeah.
Perhaps this exploration sparks a desire to learn more about the blue whale, its habitat, and the challenges it faces in a changing world.
I think that's a really good point. Learning about these adaptations is inspiring.
Yeah.
Really makes you wonder about the natural world.
Mm-hmm.
And for our listener out there, if you're feeling inspired,
Yeah,
we encourage you to dive a little deeper into the world of the blue whale.
absolutely.
There are so many resources available.
Yeah.
From documentaries to scientific articles
Right.
to even recordings of their haunting songs.
It's true. There's a wealth of information out there
Yeah.
waiting to be explored. And as you delve deeper,
Mhm.
I think you'll find that the blue whale's not just a biological marvel.
Right.
It's also a symbol of the interconnectedness
Yeah.
of life on our planet.
Absolutely.
Everything from its migratory patterns
Mhm.
to its role in the marine ecosystem highlights how deeply connected we are to the natural world,
Yeah.
even in its most remote corners.
It's amazing.
Speaking of those remote corners,
Okay.
I have a question for you and
Oh.
for our listener.
Okay.
We've been talking about the blue whale's heart,
Right.
a remarkable adaptation to a specific environment.
Mm-hmm.
But if we consider the vastness and diversity of our oceans,
Right.
what other incredible adaptations might exist
Yeah.
in the depths that we haven't even discovered yet?
That's a great question. It really makes you wonder.
Yeah,
We're constantly making new discoveries about life on Earth,
right.
especially in the oceans. Who
Yeah.
knows what kind of extraordinary creatures
Yeah.
and adaptations are still out there waiting to be found.
Exactly. We've only explored a tiny fraction
Right.
of the ocean depths.
Yeah.
There could be creatures with bioluminescent hearts,
Wow.
animals that can withstand crushing pressures,
Yeah.
organisms that communicate in ways we can't even imagine.
Right.
The possibilities are truly endless.
It's both humbling and exhilarating to think about.
It is.
Humbling because it reminds us how much we still don't know,
Yeah,
and exhilarating because it means there's so much more to discover.
precisely. And that's why it's so important to continue exploring, researching, and protecting our oceans.
Right.
Every dive, every expedition has the potential
Yeah.
to uncover something truly remarkable.
That's a good reminder for all of us to keep that sense of wonder alive,
Absolutely.
to keep asking questions, and to never stop exploring the world around us.
Yeah,
You never know what you might find.
it's true.
Well, on that note, I think it's time to surface from this deep dive.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for sharing your incredible expertise.
It was my pleasure.
Yeah.
I always enjoy diving into these fascinating topics.
And to our listener, we hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of a giant.
Mm-hmm.
We'll catch you next time for another fascinating exploration.